Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Klipsch KD-400 speakers and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these speakers are not working because they're not connecting to Bluetooth, or they're not syncing or not pairing with your device, or any kind of issues like that. A factory reset can fix a lot of them. The other reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason where you want to clear the pairing history, delete the pairing history and everything like that in the settings. So you can go ahead and set these speakers up kind of like they're a brand new set of speakers coming out of the box. This factory reset will do this, and it's quite easy to do. All we need to do is, first of all, we want to make sure that the source is on anything but Bluetooth. So it can be on the optical or whatever like that, as long as it's not, on Bluetooth trying to connect to Bluetooth. Once we do that, all we need to do is we're going to press and hold the source button, which is also the volume dial, but you should press in and hold it, and press and hold it for 10 seconds. After those 10 seconds, you can release it, and you should see the light on the speaker blink 5 times, indicating the reset is complete, at which point you can go ahead and set these speakers up like it's a brand new set of speakers.